Stop. Look around you. Everything seems normal, right? The sun rises, you go to work, you pay your bills, but there is a fatal glitch in your operating system, a blind spot in the human brain that is about to cost us everything. You see, for 200,000 years, humans lived in a linear world. If you hunted one animal, you ate for 1 day. If you hunted 2, you ate for 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Straight lines, predictable steps. Our brains are hardwired to expect tomorrow to look mostly like today. But look at this curve. This is not linear. This is exponential. It starts flat, almost boring, deceptively calm, and then, suddenly, it goes vertical. It becomes a wall. We are currently standing at the bottom of this wall, looking up, thinking it's just a hill. It's not. We are about to hit the vertical part of the curve, and most people are completely asleep at the wheel. Let me explain the trap. Imagine I give you a magic penny that doubles in value every day. 1 cent today, 2 cents tomorrow, 4 cents on Wednesday. By the end of the week, you have 64 cents. Boring, right? You would rather take $1 million cash. But wait, let it run for 30 days. By day 30, that magic penny is worth over $5 million. And by day 31, $10 million. This is what is happening with technology right now. We spent 50 years at the boring stage of the penny. We were at 2 cents, 4 cents, but AI, robotics, and genomics are not moving linearly. They are doubling, and we just hit day 30. The deceptive phase is over. The disruption phase has begun. And because our brains are linear, we cannot intuitively feel this speed. We are walking on train tracks, and there is a bullet train coming behind us at Mach 10. And Wade, here is the part that breaks the economy. Technology is a deflationary force. It crushes costs. Think about it. 20 years ago, if you wanted a camera, a GPS, an encyclopedia, a music player, and a flashlight, it cost thousands of dollars and weighed 50 pounds. Today, it's all free apps on a phone you bought for a few $100. Now apply this to everything: energy, transportation, intelligence. Solar energy is crashing in price. Artificial intelligence is driving the cost of logic to zero. Imagine a world where hiring a PhD-level consultant cost 1 cent per hour. Imagine a world where energy is too cheap to meter. This sounds like Utopia, but to the current economic system, it is a nightmare. When the cost of things drops to zero, profit margins vanish. And when profits vanish, entire industries evaporate. This leads us to the hard truth: the job market. We are told, new technology creates new jobs. That was true when we moved from farms to factories, but this time is different. We are not building tools for humans to use. We are building tools that replace humans entirely. If you are a writer, AI writes faster. If you are a driver, robots drive safer. If you are a doctor, algorithms diagnose better. We are facing a double singularity: infinite capability at near zero cost. A Ferrari for $1 is great, unless you don't have $1 because your job was automated away. This is the friction point, the gap between the old world crumbling and the new world emerging. This is the danger zone. So, what do? Panic? No, panic is useless. You adapt. The linear path is dead. The safety of the status quo is an illusion. In an exponential world, the only stability is movement. You must become adaptable. You must leverage these tools, not fight them. Use the AI to become 10 times faster. Use the energy to build new systems. We are entering the age of abundance, but the transition will be chaotic. The wave is coming. It is bigger than anything we have seen in history. You cannot stop it. You cannot hide from it. You have two choices left. You can learn to surf, or you can drown. Which one will you choose?